Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a homemade punching bag so that you can keep fighting fit in your own home. Check it out. You only need two things. It's really simple. You need a set of straps and your pillows. Now most people got pillows at home, so that's easy to come by. But not everybody has straps. These ones are pretty simple. You get these ones from your local hardware store for about 10 bucks. Now if you want to get serious and you don't want to spend any money on straps, you could use some sticky tape, but I'm not going to demonstrate how to do that in this video because it could get a bit dangerous. But check it out guys, stay with me while I show you how to turn some pillows and some straps into a homemade punching bag. Now, typically you want to use a pretty bulky kind of pillow. This one's pretty good. This one's my pillow. As you can see, it's pretty thin. So this pillow is not so good. But because I want to punch a bit harder, I'm going to double it up. So I'm going to use two of these skinny pillows and one bigger pillow. And I'm going to jam them all together, and that's going to be my punching bag. So I want to put my pillows on this side. If I was to put the pillows on the other side, the only thing that is holding the impact of your punches is the little latch here. That is the only thing that is taking the brunt of your punch, okay? But if I'm putting the strap on this side, then the weight of the punch is not sitting on the latch anymore, it's sitting on all the architraves of the door. So that's a solid platform for punching. Now, if you're renting your place like I am, you want to be mindful of the kinds of doors you're going to be laying into. Now, my doors, they're not solid core doors. These are hollow doors, so they're just a thin layer of ply on the outside, probably some cardboard on the inside, creating that space. They are not a solid core door. So you're not going to be using this punching bag to punch with all your might, okay? You are just getting full extension with your punches, but coming short of those pillows just enough to get in a little bit. You don't want to be hitting the door with your punches because you might make a hole, but you can definitely get a great workout for this. So stay with me while I show you how I do this. Check it out. Now, as you can see, the first part is a bit of mucking around just to get the height right. You want to have a strap going across the top of the pillow and a strap going across the bottom of the pillow. So the middle of the pillow is where you're going to be doing your punching. I get the height roughly where I want it. Once I get it roughly, then I close the door. If I close the door beforehand, it's a bit harder to adjust the straps. But now the straps are there, they're ready to put my pillows on. Now, as I said, I'm bulking it up. I've got one bulky pillow and two thinner pillows. I'm going to wrap these two thinner pillows in another pillowcase, so it's all one package. There you have it guys. I've got the three pillows all bulked up into one pillowcase. One other thing guys, when you're attaching your straps, you want to leave the fixing end probably about 100 mil or 10 centimeters just out from the edge of the door, so that when you do tie it up, the buckle is not sitting in the space where you might be punching, so it's away from where your hands might make contact with the pillow. That way you're not likely to obviously hit the buckle with your knuckle and you make a bit of a mess on your beautiful clean pillowcase. So I'll pull that tight so it's about 10 centimeters or 100 mil off that end of that door.
Rocky, rocky, but me not go rest. Triangles and crosses, always a test. Sometimes I feel so weak inside. Burden is heavy, but I still have to ride. To provide for my family, I have to perform my duties.
There you have it, guys. Now I know it might not look like much, but I'm telling you, if you strap it up right, you can go for rounds on this sucker. So I've got a few different points of contact. I've got the middle section here. Now obviously for straight punches, it's pretty good. For uppercuts, it's pretty good. For round punches, obviously you're going to have to adjust your body accordingly to be able to hit it correctly. We're not going to be able to get big swinging round punches. Now the last little tip I want to give you guys is to pick your training times. You don't want to be doing this too early in the morning or too late at night, because it's likely that you might upset your neighbors. Now I set this up with 3 pillows so you don't really hear too much of a banging going around. And as I said with the door before, because it's a hollow core door, it's not solid core, we don't want to be hitting too hard into it. But you can see I'm able to build myself up a pretty good workout. I'm a bit out of breath from that boxing, and it's not making any dent or any impact on the door itself.